An event is not only an opportunity to show your products and services, but also a great way to portray your company in a good light and really demonstrate what you're about. You want to show a flair for the innovative and cutting edge, a high level of quality, great customer relations and a real consistency with what you can deliver. This can be done with the right food, venue, entertainment and luxury gifts. Presenting your company as one that seeks high-end and luxury products can only be a good thing, and if you emulate this through every aspect of your events, then your clients or possible new clients will know what to expect from you in the future. If your company is really forward-thinking and innovative, then showcase this through your event. This can be done by having state-of-the-art technology present and referencing viral videos or trending topics in your entertainment. This can also be done by using social media as an interactive tool throughout the event. Treat your guests like royalty and they're more likely to start a business relationship with you or become a returning customer, as they'll be aware of the kind of customer service they can expect from you in future contracts and deals. Follow up with small corporate gifts, and this is a great way to really show the level of quality that you can offer to them. Always make your gift the best quality it can be and present it in a luxury branded gift bag. Lastly, try to create a real level of consistency with the quality throughout your event, and good planning and good suppliers means that this will run smoothly. Your customers will think of you as reliable and trustworthy and be more likely to have a contract or deal with you in the future.